Unlock a world of convenience and security as we guide you through buying your State Farm insurance policy entirely online. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to State Farm's official website. You'll be greeted by their intuitive homepage, designed to get you started quickly. On the homepage, look for the prominent Get a Quote button, usually located near the top. Clicking this will initiate the process of tailoring a policy to your needs. State Farm offers a variety of insurance products. Select the type of insurance you're looking for, whether it's auto, home, renters, or even life insurance. You'll then be presented with a secure online form. Begin by accurately entering your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and contact details. Next, provide specific details about what you're insuring. For auto insurance, this means vehicle information like make, model, and VIN. For home insurance, it's property details such as construction type and year built. This is where you personalize your coverage. You'll see different options for liability limits, deductibles, and additional coverages like roadside assistance or identity theft protection. As you adjust your selections, you'll see your quote update in real time, allowing you to see how different coverage levels affect the premium. Take your time to find the balance that works best for your budget and peace of mind. Once you're satisfied with your quote and coverage, look for a button to proceed to the application. This step confirms you're ready to finalize your policy. The application process involves reviewing all the information you've entered for accuracy. This is your final chance to make any corrections before submitting. Finally, you'll complete the application by providing any necessary payment information or confirming your submission. You'll receive a confirmation of your State Farm insurance policy, often delivered directly to your email. And just like that, you've successfully purchased your State Farm insurance online. It's that simple to protect what matters most.